Well, we're already starting to see the flakes falling in areas like Massachusetts. I just took a look at the Worcester sky cams and they are already getting at least 1 to 2 inch an hour rates. So that's a good indication of what's coming here in just the next 3 hours or so. Light snowfall will probably begin around southern York County here in the next hour and a half. So snow really does start to pick up as we go into your early morning Monday. So right after midnight, we're going to see that increasing. Moderate to heavy snow with gusty winds that will be reducing visibility. So yes, part of the storm is a nor'easter simply because it's along the northeast and the winds are becoming more northeast. It's really a matter of direction on the wind. So overall, it doesn't matter what precip type, although in this case, we are looking at a pretty big snowstorm coming along the way. But as we continue to track blizzard conditions, because that's also a big part of the story, that those northeast winds are going to continue to gust upwards along the coast up to about 45, almost 50 miles per hour. And again, there's the snow showers already meeting New Hampshire. So again, here in the next few hours or so. As we go into your early Monday morning commute, if you have any last minute shopping to do, good luck. Stores are already closing. We do have a list of delays and closing on our website as well. Storm Tracker pulls us through the rest of the Monday afternoon. Treacherous driving, northeast winds gusting, making difficult travel. I highly don't recommend it. Blizzard warnings all up and down the Maine coastline starting at 7 in the morning. Do not be confused with the start time of when the snow is starting. Again, that's just here in the next few hours. And if you're not in a blizzard warning, you're further up into the inland areas and you're in a winter storm warning right now. As far as our snowfall amounts go, well, up along the coast, almost up to a foot, but don't just focus on the higher number.